Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are watching Zipper Tech, and in my today's video I'm gonna unbox the Logitech K380 keyboard. So this keyboard just dropped at my house 5 minutes ago, and this keyboard came in like a huge box. It shouldn't have come, but anyways, let's unbox this right away. So guys, this is how the box of the Logitech K380 keyboard looks like. So guys, this is the newer version of the K380 keyboard. As we can see, it supports Mac also. So earlier it didn't support Mac, so like it would get connected to Mac, but this command option and control option, as you can see over here, was not there, so it would not work that properly. So this is the box, pretty neat. It's cool. So I've got the one which is in grey with yellow accents and looks pretty cool according to me. Over here we can see some of the functions of the keyboard. The box is pretty neat. Once again, I would like to tell you that thing. And over here we can see that this is a Swiss technology and really good. So let's unbox this. Let me get my knife quick here. So guys, I've already unboxed it, so I'm just re-unboxing this in front of you guys. Yes, and this is a Bluetooth keyboard, by the way. So this is how this comes in. So the box is neat, as I mentioned earlier, and this thing is made up of cardboard, and which is pretty nice. But I would like to ask Logitech to make this also a bit eco-friendlier, which would be really nice and save the bears and save the penguins. So anyways, let's take this out. So here we get the keyboard. Let's keep this aside. And here we get some paperwork, which is, I guess, of no use, so let's throw it away. And the box is also of no use right now, so let's throw it away. I like to throw things a lot. Okay, so here's the thing that we were waiting for, the keyboard. So let's remove this from this plasticky thing, which is not saving the bears and the penguins. By the way, the plastic peel is okay, not that great, not like Apple used to do. Let's throw that. Notice this. So this says that you can connect your Logitech K380 keyboard with 3 devices simultaneously. So that's a great feature, and thumbs up for that. Let's throw that too. Okay, so this is the keyboard itself over here. Pretty nice, clean and tidy, as we can see. It is not a full keyboard, it is a smaller keyboard. And to the back, as we can see over here, it has 4 rubber pads for better grip while typing basically. We can see K380 written over here. So K380 is one of their most selling keyboards, and the design is pretty minimalist. I like minimalist designs, and that's great. The keyboard has a good amount of heft, which is really nice. As you can see over here, this keyboard has tapering design. This design is really ergonomical for typing, and we have seen this design even in MacBook Airs, the previous ones, which were having the M1 chip, and they were even having the Intel chips previously. But yeah, so this is the design over here, and pretty neat. On the left hand side, as we can see, there is an on-off button to switch on the keyboard. The button looks pretty flimsy, but that's okay. I would like to have that button a bit rigid, but okay, that's okay, no problem. Over here we get batteries, so it works on 2 AA batteries, which is neat. So you don't have to charge this thing, you can just get those batteries and switch it on. Okay, so to turn this on, we just press this. It shows green over here and green over here to inside. Let me connect it quickly to my iPad. Guys, I have bought my iPad over here. So my iPad was really smudgy, and you can see the Avengers A over here. I hope that you like my jacket. Thumbs up if you like my jacket, and subscribe because it has red color in it. Let me show you. Look over here, and my knife is red too, so please hit that subscribe button, and if that subscribe button is red, make it gray like this. Oh no, gray like this. Okay, so anyways, sorry for that shit talk. Okay, so to switch on this device, you just have to press this one and it will start to blink, and you just have to go to your Bluetooth settings and you'll find the keyboard somewhere over here. So since my device has already been connected, it may show up over here. Over here, and my device is, I guess, connected. Why am I not able to see? Okay, so it is connected, as you can see over here. Let's go to our Notes app and see how this device types. Typing is pretty nice. The keyboard is clicky, like how it should be. It's not that noisy like a mechanical keyboard, but the right amount of noisy. So I'm not that of a fast typer, but anyways, this writes really nice. And if you're thinking of buying a keyboard and if you want something which is minimalist and like really sweet, I guess you should get this. So you get this device in many colors, which is pink, blue and white, and another color which is sand color. So you get these devices in these 4 colors, and even with this color which we have over here. So overall the product is really great, and I would recommend you to buy this product if you are in a search of a cheap keyboard. So Logitech is a really renowned brand, as we know, and buying things from them would be really nice. You can see my reflection over here, so nice. And okay, anyways, this is my tripod, and this phone which I had kept over here was just a show phone. It's broken. Okay, anyways, why am I distracting myself? Okay, so if you're trying to do gaming on this device, I don't think so it'd be a fun experience. If you want to do gaming, get an mechanical keyboard. But if you just want to use this for your daily stuff, for your browsing of internet, writing some notes and everything, then this device is pretty great. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the icon to see more videos of such kind. And subscribe would be really nice, cause I'm an aspiring YouTuber and I would like to bring more such content to you. So bye guys.